Our planet is a tapestry woven through time, a vast chronicle of life and death, of evolution and extinction. In the depths of our oceans, where sunlight surrenders to eternal darkness, there lived creatures as magnificent as they were terrifying. Creatures whose very existence now lies shrouded in the mists of time, leaving behind only whispers in the fossil record, tantalizing glimpses into a world long gone. These were the apex predators of their time, the rulers of the deep, their reign stretching over millions of years. Their bones tell tales of extraordinary power and ferocity, of teeth that could crush stone and tails that could cleave through water with the force of a thunderbolt. Join me now as we plunge into the abyss to uncover the mysteries of these extinct leviathans, to unravel the secrets of their dominance, and to understand their eventual demise. Our journey begins in the Paleozoic era over 350 million years ago in a primordial ocean teeming with life. Here in this watery realm swam Dunkleosteus, a name that echoes with a chilling resonance. Imagine a creature exceeding 30 feet in length, its body encased not in scales but in armor-plated bone. Dunkleosteus was no ordinary fish. It possessed a head so massive, so heavily fortified that it resembled a living battering ram. But its most fearsome attribute was its jaw. Lacking teeth, it instead possessed razor-sharp, bony plates that could snap shut with unimaginable force, estimated to be over 8,000 pounds per square inch, powerful enough to cleave a shark in two. This prehistoric terror was the undisputed king of its domain, its sheer size and power unmatched. Fossils reveal the remains of its victims, other armored fish, sharks, and even evidence of cannibalism. Dunkleosteus, it seems, did not discriminate when it came to satisfying its insatiable appetite. But Dunkleosteus was not alone. The Devonian period, often referred to as the Age of Fishes, was a time of incredible marine biodiversity. Alongside this behemoth swam a plethora of other bizarre and deadly creatures, each vying for dominance in the depths. There was Helicoprion, a shark-like predator with a bizarre spiral-shaped jaw that resembled a circular saw. How this creature effectively utilized its unusual dentition remains a mystery, but its presence speaks to the incredible diversity of life that once flourished in our oceans. And then there was Anomalocaris, meaning abnormal shrimp. This creature, reaching up to 6 feet in length, was a formidable predator of the Cambrian period. With its two large, stalked eyes, grasping appendages lined with spines, and circular mouth filled with razor-sharp plates, Anomalocaris instilled fear in the hearts of its prey. These prehistoric monsters, though long extinct, offer a glimpse into the incredible power and diversity of life that once ruled our oceans. As we move through the Earth's epochs, we encounter creatures that straddled the line between land and sea, blurring the boundaries between these two distinct realms. One such creature was Spinosaurus, a colossal predator that thrived in the swamps and rivers of what is now North Africa during the Cretaceous period. Spinosaurus was a dinosaur unlike any other. Larger than Tyrannosaurus rex, it possessed a massive sail-like structure on its back, the purpose of which continues to spark debate among paleontologists. Some theorize it was used for thermoregulation, while others believe it was a display structure used to attract mates or intimidate rivals. This behemoth was equally at home in the water as it was on land. Its long, slender snout and conical teeth were perfectly adapted for snaring fish, while its powerful hind limbs and webbed feet allowed it to navigate the waterways with ease. Fossil evidence suggests that Spinosaurus competed with giant crocodiles and other large aquatic predators for food, making it a true apex predator of its time. Another formidable predator, this time from the Pleistocene epoch, was Smilodon, more commonly known as the saber-toothed cat. Though not a marine creature, Smilodon's influence was felt in coastal regions, where it would prey on large mammals that ventured too close to the water's edge. Smilodon was instantly recognizable by its most prominent feature, two enormous canine teeth that protruded from its upper jaw, reaching lengths of up to 11 inches. These formidable weapons, combined with its powerful build and a bite force that could crush bone, made Smilodon a formidable hunter, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. Our journey through prehistory takes us now to the skies, where we encounter creatures of immense size and power, ruling the air just as the dinosaurs ruled the land. Meganeura, a genus of extinct insects related to present-day dragonflies, soared through the air over 300 million years ago during the Carboniferous period. With a wingspan exceeding 2 feet, Meganeura was a giant among insects. Its massive size has been attributed to the higher oxygen levels present in the Earth's atmosphere during this period, which allowed insects to grow to extraordinary sizes. This aerial predator possessed large, compound eyes, giving it exceptional vision and powerful mandibles that it used to snatch its prey, primarily other insects, mid-flight. Imagine the shadow cast by this prehistoric behemoth as it soared through the skies, a testament to the incredible diversity and scale of life that once existed. Returning to the water, we encounter another giant Leadsichthys. This colossal fish, belonging to a group known as pachycormids, lived during the Jurassic period and is considered one of the largest fish to have ever existed. Estimates of its size vary, but some scientists believe that Leadsichthys could reach lengths of over 50 feet, rivaling the size of modern-day whale sharks. Unlike the predatory giants we've encountered so far, Leadsichthys was a filter feeder. It possessed massive gill rakers, comb-like structures that strained plankton and other small organisms from the water. This gentle giant, despite its colossal size, posed no threat to the larger marine animals of its time, content to graze on the microscopic life that teemed in the Jurassic seas. Chapter 4. Why did they go extinct? As we've journeyed through time, we've encountered some of the most extraordinary creatures to have ever inhabited our planet. But their reign, like all reigns, eventually came to an end. The question that lingers is, what caused the extinction of these magnificent beasts? The answer, as with many mysteries of the past, is complex and multifaceted. Extinction is a natural process, a constant ebb and flow of life on Earth. However, there are times when this process is dramatically accelerated, leading to mass extinction events that wipe out a significant portion of life on Earth. One of the most well-known extinction events, the Chicxulub impact, occurred approximately 66 million years ago and wiped out the dinosaurs, along with an estimated 76% of plant and animal species on Earth. This catastrophic event was caused by an asteroid estimated to be about 6 miles wide that slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, triggering widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and earthquakes. The impact also released massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and causing a global cooling effect that lasted for years. This impact winter, combined with other environmental catastrophes, proved too much for many species, including the dinosaurs, to overcome. But asteroid impacts are not the only culprits in Earth's history of extinction events. Climate change, driven by volcanic activity or other natural processes, has also played a significant role in reshaping life on our planet. The Permian-Triassic extinction event, the deadliest in Earth's history, is believed to have been caused by massive volcanic eruptions that released catastrophic amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, leading to rapid global warming and ocean acidification. Ecosystem shifts, often triggered by these large-scale events, can also lead to the decline and eventual extinction of species. As environments change, species that are unable to adapt to new conditions or compete with rivals for resources face an uphill battle for survival. Chapter 5. Lessons from the Past. The extinct creatures we've explored stand as silent testaments to the power of nature, both to create and to destroy. Their fossils, frozen in stone, whisper tales of their time on Earth, of their dominance, their struggles and their eventual demise. But these ancient leviathans are more than just relics of a bygone era. They offer us valuable lessons about the fragility of ecosystems and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Each extinction event, whether driven by cosmic catastrophe or earthly upheaval, serves as a stark reminder that even the most dominant species are not invincible. Change is inevitable, and the ability to adapt is crucial for survival. The creatures that perished were often those unable to keep pace with a rapidly changing world, victims of circumstances beyond their control. We, as the current custodians of this planet, have a responsibility to learn from the past. The Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, driven by human activity. We are witnessing habitat loss, pollution, and overexploitation of resources, all factors that contribute to the ongoing biodiversity crisis. The extinction of a single species can have ripple effects throughout an ecosystem, disrupting delicate balances that have evolved over millennia. The loss of biodiversity weakens the web of life, making ecosystems more vulnerable to collapse. We are intricately connected to the natural world, and its fate is ultimately our own. Chapter 6, Our Blue Planet, Our Future. We began our journey by delving into the depths, exploring the mysteries of extinct sea monsters. But our journey doesn't end there. It extends beyond the fossil record, beyond the awe-inspiring creatures of the past, and leads us to a crossroads. A point in time where the choices we make today will determine the fate of countless species, including our own. The Earth is resilient. It has endured countless upheavals, witnessed the rise and fall of countless species. And yet, life persists. But resilience is not invincibility. The planet we call home is facing unprecedented challenges, and the time for action is now. We must become better stewards of our planet, not just for the sake of the creatures we share it with, but for ourselves. By protecting our oceans, forests, and wildlife, we are ultimately protecting ourselves. We must embrace sustainable practices, reduce our impact on the environment, and work together to mitigate the effects of climate change. The future may seem daunting, but there is hope. All around the world, individuals, communities, and governments are working tirelessly to protect our planet. Scientists are developing innovative solutions, activists are raising awareness, and ordinary people are making changes in their daily lives to reduce their environmental footprint. Outro, what will your legacy be? Our journey through time has come to an end, but the story of life on Earth continues. The question is, what role will we play in the chapters yet to be written? Will we be remembered as the generation that allowed countless species to vanish? Or will we be the generation that rose to the challenge, that chose action over apathy and helped to write a new chapter, one filled with hope, resilience, and a renewed commitment to protecting our planet? The choice is ours. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary adventure through time. I hope it has inspired you to learn more about the natural world and to do your part in protecting it. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What extinct creature did you find most fascinating? What topics would you like me to explore in future videos? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all things nature.